Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, where I share amazing tips on how to create outstanding content using AI. Today, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process on how to use GPT-4 to write compelling blogs. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Choose a topic. Select a captivating topic for your blog post. It could be anything from technology trends to travel destinations. A well-defined topic sets the foundation for engaging content. Step 2. Introduction and prompt. Craft an attention-grabbing introduction to hook your readers. Then, formulate a clear prompt that captures the essence of your chosen topic. For example, how to use GPT-4 to write compelling blogs, a step-by-step guide. Step 3. Engage GPT-4. Engage GPT-4 by providing the prompt and allowing it to generate a draft for your blog post. This powerful AI language model will generate a substantial amount of content for you to work with. Step 4. Edit and enhance. Review the AI-generated draft and begin the editing process. Add your unique voice, style, and personal insights to make the content more authentic. Consider restructuring paragraphs, refining sentences, and ensuring a smooth flow throughout. Step 5. Polish and publish. Give your blog post a final polish by proofreading, checking for grammar or spelling errors, and fine-tuning the overall structure. Once you're satisfied with the final result, it's time to hit that publish button and share your compelling blog post with the world. That's it. By following this step-by-step guide, you can utilize the power of GPT-4 to create captivating blogs that resonate with your readers. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more valuable tips and tricks on leveraging AI in your content creation journey. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts on using GPT-4 for blog writing. I'm excited to see the amazing blog posts you'll create using GPT-4. Happy writing, and I'll catch you in the next video.